is don't be afraid to move. And when I say that, I mean like if you're tired in a situation or you feel like you're not growing in a situation, don't be afraid to move, because it's probably a sign that it's time for you to move. Like, and this goes for anything, jobs, just any kind of situation, friendships, family. If it's time for you to move and to grow in another chapter in your life, then that's your sign to do it. If you feel uncomfortable, and not the uncomfortable where it's like you're scared to grow, it's the uncomfortable where you feel like you're not growing at all and you're just stuck. Don't be afraid to move.
Oh, that's a great advice, Noriya.
Okay, bye.
So it's been so long since I've been able to post my daughter, and for her to actually be okay with me, you know, putting her routine on the video. I had to like bribe her and tell her I would get her an acai bowl. So that's a deal. This has been requested on my channel for a very long time. So hopefully you guys like this video.
Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing y'all my hair curling routine.
Noriya.
I'm gonna start with the 2-in-1 leave-in conditioner. I don't put a lot of stuff in my hair because I usually do my hair in the morning and we need something quick. So I do that, a water, and a brush.
Actually, she only uses one product for this entire style.
My hair part has a, you know when you part your hair so much and it kind of has like a memory or whatever and it just stays like that? That's how my hair is. So like it doesn't take a lot for me to part my hair.
Do you ever do the side part?
I don't really like that on my like curls.
Do you start with any type of scalp massages or anything?
No, my hair's just itchy. Sometimes I do small sections, but I usually just don't feel like it.
So how many sections are you gonna do?
3.
Like, she doesn't do her washing though the same as like the way that I do it. So this is why I wanted to put this on this channel, because she does her like wash and go. She does it different, so you guys will see. We have a little story to tell too, but are we gonna do that in this video or wait till should I do it in a different video?
No, we can do it in this one. So first I put my hair in the little bun, and as y'all can see, my hair looks really matted, but I'm telling y'all, once I put like my water on it and stuff, it'll be good. I like to get my hair really wet because that's how I can work with it. I put on the cream first before I before I do anything, because this is what helps my hair detangle. When I just use water, it's basically me ripping my hair wet. As you can see, it's way more like smoother. Now it's not completely smooth, but it's smoother than what it was before. I put a lot of product on my hair today. I feel like this one the curls out the best though.
Yeah, when you put a lot of product and water.
Yeah. And I start twisting it. When I do this part of my hair, I usually split it up in 2 sections because this is like the biggest part. I'm not gonna talk to you. Say action.
Action.
I do the same thing on the other side. Only thing is, when I get to the front, I do a little bit more, like, I put a little bit more effort in the front because that's like the main part of my hair.
This time trying to get you on my mind.
I literally drown my hair in water.
The pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side off camera, so I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Wait, do you want to give them any life advice?
Oh, it's don't be afraid to move. And when I say that, I mean, like, if you're tired in a situation or you feel like you're not growing in a situation, don't be afraid to move, because it's probably a sign that it's time for you to move. Like, and this goes for anything, jobs, just any kind of situation, friendships, family. If it's time for you to move and to grow in another chapter in your life, then that's your sign to do it. If you feel uncomfortable, and not the uncomfortable where it's like you're scared to grow, it's the uncomfortable where you feel like you're not growing at all and you're just stuck. Don't be afraid to move.
Oh, that's a great advice, Noriya.
Okay, bye. Anyways, y'all, have a nice day. Love y'all.
Okay, and then Noriya is going to do the other side of her hair, and then I'll show you guys. We'll come back and like show you guys. You're gonna take them out in the morning, right?
Yes.
Okay guys, so this is how Noriya's hair turned out the next day. Of course, she had to go to school the next day, so we didn't really have time to film her hair in the morning, but this is how it turned out. And she likes to do this pretty much on a daily basis. Only thing that we didn't show is that she does add an oil to her hair sometimes, and so I'll have everything down in the description box for you guys. Also, this is her hair blown out. If you want to see that, this is how it looks blown out. Also, we didn't get a chance to tell you guys the story on her hair, and I'll do that in a different video if you guys want to know why her hair looks a bit shorter. There's a whole story behind it, but as I said, this is her hair blown out, so this is the length of her hair. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
How much you messing with me? How much you messing with me? How much you messing with me? How much you messing with me?